Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again at the gold market. So the things that we have talked about yesterday, it seems was correct, and the market shows solid pullback, at least on the intraday charts. It seems like not bad upward action, and that's actually the reason why I thought that scrubber really could fail, and I still think that something is wrong with this pattern because it a bit doesn't match to overall sentiment, overall background of the market that we see. It's a lot of bullish reasons exist in the market right now, and we talked about it yesterday as well. So today we will continue discussion. So our suggestion in the long entry was correct. Actually, we of course didn't know that market indeed will start upward action right from there, but our minimal count was just on a minor pullback, because that was significant support area, and attempt of taking a long position here is relatively safe because you will have at least minor technical bounce from the strong support that lets you to protect your position with a break-even stop loss order and turn your trade to the riskless. And then you just could see what will happen. So currently where stands an advantage, so everything develops very nice. We have the upside potential. And now we could relax a bit and see what really will happen on the gold market. Because our ultimate suggestion is, if you remember, we talked about the reverse head and shoulders here on the top. That could lead market right to finalizing of the major weekly targets. And currently market still stands on the way to the neckline, where it stands approximately around 1535. So if market will continue upward action and reach this level, well, that will be the completion of the first part of this pattern, and this action will be the one that could provide us more confidence with the further bullish view on the market. Currently, you can see that market behaves also. It's positive, and let's take a look at the flag pattern that we have suggested develops as it should. So currently on the daily chart, it's no questions actually. So we're considering the possible upward continuation. At the same time, to be honest, we absolutely don't care what will happen, because we already have taken the position, and now we stands easily could manage our stops to grab some profit even and keep the rest of the position. So the one task today is just to manage your position that you have taken yesterday, if you have taken anything. So anyway, on the 4-hour time frame chart, the few moments exist that we need to pay attention to. First of all, we have some patterns and important levels that could help us to understand what's really going on. So because currently we need to understand what this upward action is. Although we count on the upward continuation, but at the same time that would be the first reaction on the support area. So market has dropped, completion some patterns, retracement. Now theoretically it could turn down again. And here, the very important level will be at the top of the week, the starting point, the opening of the week on Monday, because that is the C point of our ABCD pattern that we have discussed yesterday. And if market will move higher, taking out of this top, it will erase automatically this ABCD pattern, will tell you that this upward action is not the retracement of that most recent downward swing, but this upward action is a continuation of this pattern, of this upward action. And here you could see I point the next possible target that we have based on the new pattern. So initially we talked about this pattern, A, B, C bottom. Once XOP has been hit, retracement happened, we're turning to the large ABCD, where this whole action becomes just the AB leg, and that will become the BC leg. Now we are watching for the next target. This is COP 1524. That will be the nearest destination point on the intraday chart. The OP stands at 1547. It's very close to the neckline that we have discussed, somewhere in this area. So if you will talk about the hand shoulders, so market later also should hit it as well. But this is too extended, and we now are watching just for this one. That's what we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. On the hourly chart, here you could recognize also the minor shape of the hand shoulders patience, reverse hand shoulders. Very often happens on top in the modern markets. So previously it was counted that the reverse hand shoulders should happen only on the bottoms, but currently situation stands absolutely different, and in modern markets you could meet the reverse hand shoulders at top as well. So anyway, if you even do not like to treat it as a hand shoulders, anyway, we have this A, B, C, D pattern. So that was our entry opportunity. Market right now stands in this area, and here we are watching for OP target. OP stands 1520, and it challenged the previous lows. So that's will be next nearest standing target. Currently, guys, if you already have long position, you just could manage your position a bit. So if you would like to take some profit, you could do this. At least you could move your stops to the break-even. That's absolutely a necessary thing to do. Maybe you will decide to tight stop a bit more right below the C point. That's also could be done. Currently we are focused on the reaching of OP, returning back to this top, and take a look again. That's important top. That's the reason why this level is important, because as I said, this is C point of this ABCD pattern. If market will exceed the C point, it erases the ABCD pattern. Correspondingly, it erases the idea of the further continuation of this downward action, because pattern has been erased. And in this case, the meaning of this upward action becomes absolutely different. So currently it still could be treated as the pullback after the initial drop, so that's the retracement. But as market will exceed this top, this will be not the retracement anymore. So that's our view on the gold market. Currently it's very interesting to watch whether our suggestion of this really upward continuation to the new top, as you know, our weekly target stands at 1566, 1567 approximately, and now market shows the price action that tells that maybe this is really will happen. At least this is possible by far. So we do not see any significant bearish continuation or something of that sort. I would say we even have some opposite action. So let's keep watching what will happen, and tomorrow we will return back to discussion of this setup.